Okay, this is the video part 3. We're gonna get our trusty flashlight. Well, actually, wait. Well, maybe we do. Okay. Let's just see. No, we won't need the flashlight. No. So, any minute, we're gonna move from one side to the other side over here so we can watch the hour chime. And any minute here, it's going to go off. Hopefully the other side of the wall panel doesn't fall down. There you go. Just a minute. There we go. Over the side. Well, that just about settles it. Oh, here's a fun fact I had for you. Let me show you something. Now, you'll notice... Crumb. Oh well, it was bound to happen anyway. Let's push the pendulum. There we go. Oh, that's kind of way. Alright. Ooh. Anyway, these 4 chime rods, as you see on the hour, they stick together so they can make one big sound. That's how all clocks are. Now, on the right side, all the chime rods you see over here, if we can get a shot of it, are individually. And this is a scale in the key of C. Well, that's our fun clocks. Bye-bye.